Hello and a warm welcome to the AI with Arun Show. In this episode, we are diving into one of the most significant developments in the world of AI, the strategic partnership between OpenAI and AMD. Announced on October 6, 2025, this is not just a standard supplier deal. It's a strategic alliance that promises to reshape the entire AI ecosystem. Let's look at the sheer scale of this agreement, a 6 gigawatt partnership that's poised to transform the industry. The partnership is projected to generate 100 billion in revenue for AMD over 4 years, coming from both OpenAI and other customers influenced by the deal. OpenAI can acquire up to 10% equity stake in AMD through a warrant for 160 million shares at a nominal price of 1 cent each. This structure aligns the long-term interest of both companies. Let's understand the technology focus. The core of the deal involves the deployment of AMD's MI450 series graphic processing units or GPUs. GPUs are high-performance processors essential for the complex calculations that power AI. Deployment will begin in the second half of 2026 and will focus specifically on AI inference workloads. Inference is the process where an already trained AI model is used in a continuous real-world applications like translating a query or generating a response. The market reaction to this announcement has been immediate and dramatic. We have seen a surge in market cap for AMD's. AMD's market cap saw a $60 billion surge following the announcement. The stock experienced a 35% jump, representing AMD's biggest intraday increase in over 9 years. This partnership positions AMD as a core strategic compute partner alongside OpenAI's existing relationships with technology leaders like NVIDIA and Oracle. It's a clear move to diversify the AI chip market. For OpenAI, this partnership is driven by three crucial strategic pillars. The first one is supply chain diversification. This move is critical to reduce OpenAI's heavy reliance on NVIDIA. In the constrained AI chip market, having multiple suppliers provides essential redundancy and increased negotiating leverage. Two is cost optimization. Working with multiple suppliers allows OpenAI to pursue cost optimization while securing the massive supply needed for their ambitious Stargate project. And three is AI inference focus. AMD's GPUs primarily be used for AI inference tasks. These are the continuous, demanding workloads involved in deploying and running AI models for users. With this and other partnerships, OpenAI has now secured over $400 billion in data center infrastructure. OpenAI's strategic alliances now secure over $400 billion in data center infrastructure, which is a significant move in the AI landscape. This accelerates OpenAI's journey towards its ambitious 500 billion 10 gigawatt Stargate commitment, potentially ahead of schedule. The warrant structure, with vesting milestones linked to share price targets, including a $600 per share, ensures a long-term alignment of interests. This strategy helps OpenAI diversify its supply chain, reducing reliance on a single vendor and fostering competition in the market. Now let's look at the impact on AMD. Now this is nothing short of transformational. OpenAI's decision to choose AMD is a significant vote of confidence in AMD's AI chips and its software capabilities. The second one is about revenue transformation. With AMD's current annual revenue around 32.78 billion, the projected 100 billion from this partnership over 4 years could substantially alter their growth trajectory. And three, competitive positioning. This alliance is the most significant challenge to date against NVIDIA's massive 86 to 92% dominance in the AI GPU market share. This is truly a game changer. Now, the partnership has cascading benefits for the entire AI and tech ecosystem. The increased GPU availability may help alleviate industry-wide supply constraints that have been affecting many AI companies. Then about price competition. The emergence of a strong, viable alternative to the dominant player, which is NVIDIA, is expected to drive price competition across the industry, potentially driving down costs for all users. If you think about innovation acceleration, then competition between AMD and NVIDIA will likely accelerate technological advancements and innovation. This signals a maturation of market dynamics from single vendor dominance towards a more competitive multi-supplier ecosystem. It's a move towards greater supply chain resilience that may inspire other AI companies to diversify their own dependencies. Now let's quickly look at the specific competitive disruption with NVIDIA. With their shares saw a minimal dip, dropping just 1 to 2%. This is the most serious challenge to their 86 to 92% market share supremacy. Other competitors, like companies like Marvel and Broadcom, will face increased pressure as AMD strengthens its position. Intel and other emerging players. This puts pressure on companies like Intel to accelerate their own AI strategies or risk being marginalized in this crucial market. Then the cloud providers. We can expect major cloud providers, including Azure, AWS, and Google Cloud, to likely expand their AMD offerings to remain competitive in their own markets. The vision for this partnership extends far into the future, focusing on continuous collaboration. Let's talk about multi-generational collaboration. Now, this agreement extends beyond the MI450 series to include future generations of AMD hardware. Then let's talk about technology co-development. The companies will share technical expertise to optimize product roadmaps. This builds on previous work with AMD's MI300X and MI350X GPUs. The financial and operational structures, including the warrants milestone-based vesting tied to share price targets like $600 per share and are designed to align interests and encourage both technical performance and commercial success. This partnership signals a maturation of the AI market, moving from single vendor dominance towards a more mature, competitive, multi-supplier ecosystem. We spoke about supply chain resilience. The alliance may inspire other AI companies to reduce their reliance on single suppliers, enhancing overall supply chain resilience. Let's talk about global competition. The strategic move positions both AMD and OpenAI to compete more effectively against international rivals in a market projected to reach $165 billion by 2030. To conclude, this strategic alliance between AMD and OpenAI partnership is more than just a supplier relationship. It is a strategic alliance that is reshaping competitive dynamics across the entire AI ecosystem. This has broad impact. It influences everything from chip design and manufacturing to cloud services, and it's going to accelerate the evolution of the industry towards more collaborative approach in building the computational foundation for AI. With that, we come to the end of the show. Thank you for watching. Support our work by joining us as a member. And we sincerely hope that you like, share, and subscribe to the AI with Arun Show.